picture, Daddy?
Yeah, I'm editing a video.
You want to do this? Video?
All right, this is our New Year's feast. Let's see, Catherine, help me with this. What is this here?
That is lamb kebab from Kabul.
And this is pumpkin.
Pumpkin.
And here is a huge sushi platter. Yum, yum, yum. From Miyaki's. And this is something Chinesey. What is this?
Orange peel beef.
Orange peel beef. And some kind of a prawn Chinesey dish. Rice and bread and ash soup from Kabul, Afghan. And this is also Chinesey. Walnut.
Chicken.
And here we are with
a lamb beef shawarma plate from
and
Mediterranean Grill.
starting a new tradition this year, thanks to Eric. Let's get Eric. There's Eric. And there's Alex. Hey, say hello.
Hello.
And there's Yuri. Want to bark, Yuri? You usually bark anyway. There's Yuri, Eric. And starting a new tradition is pizza, Chicago pizza from Paxty's. Hey, Happy New Year, everybody.
There you go.
Well, this is video.
Hey, Dad.
Patty?
Hi,
Hey there.
people.
Okay, so Larry Magid of of Greer Road, New Year's Eve Meal Network, broadcast.com, signing off.